Hi guys, my name is Monique McIntosh for Digital Jamaica and you're watching Digital Jamaica TV. I'm back with another Digital Jamaican of the Week and today we're talking to Yekini Wallen-Bryan. He's from Pree Labs and Citizens Response Jamaica. We're gonna get straight into the video.
Hi, my name is Yekini Wallen-Bryan, CEO and founder of a company called Pree Labs Limited, also co-founder of the Citizens Response Jamaica group. Pree Labs Limited is a tech innovation company. We specialize in electronics, automation, Internet of Things, and robotics. For the past couple of months, we've been allocating a lot of our resources towards facilitating a lot of the projects and endeavors of the Citizens Response Jamaica group. So a number of years ago, I was an undergrad student that liked to tinker with electronics. You know, I was passionate about it. I was always building things, whether it was university projects or projects at home or projects in a club or the robotics team. I was always building things, and there was never, and people would always say that they liked the things that I built and they would want it for themselves, and I would never have any way of knowing how to begin commercializing it. It was push from a number of players that essentially I entered a competition to pitch one of the ideas at the time. It was called Plug and Pree, it's now called Power Pree. Essentially it's a way to monitor and control electrical appliances from your smartphone or your computer. Since then we won that competition, we got accepted into an accelerator program that essentially gave us training on what we need to know to have a sustainable business and to grow a sustainable business. And you know, it's been a number of years since then we've magnitudes increased our competency in being able to produce solutions quickly and reliably in a way that I don't think any company in Jamaica is able to do right now, as well as understand the intricacies of business and economics and growing a sustainable business through the assistance that we've gotten from our numerous mentors. So that's Pree Labs. You know, we're like our slogan says, we're translating vision to reality. A lot of times people come to us not knowing exactly how to do the things they need, but they know that we can do things. So they have a vision about what it is that they want. And we understand the steps that are needed, that they need to take to go from just having an idea about solving whatever problem they have and making it into a practical, tangible solution. Citizens Response came about when a few months ago my friend Larry Perry gave me a call at the start of the whole COVID-19 crisis, asking if I knew how to build a ventilator. Having learned about the shortage of ventilators in the island, I said no, I'd look into it, figured out what needed to be done. We're pending approval for the ventilator now, but in that process we started looking at how we could solve some of the other problems, whether it be the lack of face shields, the lack of masks that are in society. We put together a huge network of doctors, engineers, seamstresses, citizens, and other businesses to really see if we can get a collective effort going to help supplement some of the shortages in the healthcare sector to alleviate some of the pressures on Jamaicans. Since then we've done a lot, we've accomplished a lot, donated thousands of face shields to the healthcare industry, thousands of masks, and provided other solutions for the healthcare sector. As for Pree Lab solutions, we've done a number of custom solutions for various clients, but our main flagship product is called Power Pree, which is a device that allows people to monitor and control electrical appliances from anywhere in the world, from your smartphone or computer. The Power Pree uses the Pree platform, which essentially is just a platform that allows people to see their environment, to see whether not just energy now, but we've expanded into different avenues like water, environmental parameters such as temperature. We look to build out this platform as we develop it to incorporate different ways of interacting with our environment, getting information on our environment and acting on it. In addition, Pree Labs has been facilitating the 3D printing of medical grade equipment, whether it be ventilator splitters, which again thankfully haven't been needed to be used, as well as COVID testing swabs, FDA approved to help supplement the testing capacity. Citizens Response separately and apart from Pree Labs has also done a number of other things. We have gotten billboards set up to get people to encourage people to donate blood to the blood banks. We've, through Designs by Mark, donated thousands of masks and are now working to produce gowns for the hospitals as well, surgical gowns. We've also produced testing booths through Jamaica Fiberglass that help people performing tests for COVID by limiting their exposure to it and reducing the need for PPEs. There's a number of other things that Citizens Response has been doing, and we're grateful for the opportunity to be able to supplement Jamaica in a time of crisis. Well, the response for Citizens Response has been crazy. It's been we've gotten a lot of support, a lot of traction. The healthcare industry has been very grateful for the solutions that we have, and personally brings a joy to me when we supply them with something and they seem very grateful because they wouldn't have any means to get it otherwise, whether it be the face shields or the testing booth or the intubation boxes. It's been very positive getting those types of feedback. The current plan for Citizens Response is to follow through on a number of the milestones we had set for ourselves in deliveries in terms of PPEs and equipment for hospitals. Once that has been completed, we're going to reassess our position and just try to ensure that we have whatever resources we need, because we're still, COVID time isn't going to end for now. We're still there's still no vaccine, and people are coming into the country. So we just have to be on standby. We never know what tomorrow brings. So we're just trying to ensure that we can be prepared to respond whenever the country needs us again. If you'd like to reach out to Citizens Response, you can visit our website at citizensresponseja.com, as well as you can give us an email at citizensresponseja@gmail.com. For updates on Pree Labs and Pree, you can follow us on IG and Twitter at Pree, POWERPREE, and at Pree Labs Limited as PREELABS Ltd.